Hey guys, Patrick here in rainy Florida, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Hygger Fish Waste Collector. Alright, so let's open this up and check it out. We've got our manual here about how to put it together. And as you can see, there are a lot of parts here. And they give you the tools that you need, even the PVC cutters, to plumb it how you need it. So step one, you're gonna have to put the waste sedimentation chambers onto the filter body. Make sure you take out that screen and put it on top. That way you don't bend it or mess it up. And there, we have it on there. Next step is the valves. So you gotta put the valves on, like so. There we go. Then you're going to have another valve. It opens and shuts. You're going to put this on it, like so. And it's going to connect to the front. Voila. Then you've got this piece here. And this is going to go on the bottom, just like that. This part's going to go on, like so. Then you've got the siphon hose. And that's going to go right here. There we go. That goes to the holder right there. Then the film remover, just put over the pipe. Alright, now that we've put it together, let's see how it does in the tank. So now I've got the Hygger Fish Waste Collector hooked up. Now, cool part about this thing is it serves like if you needed some way to have an overflow and you didn't want to drill the tank, you can use this. It siphons the water out to a sump. I have a sump down here. I just used a hose, but you can go and in the connections themselves, I mean, it's got a bunch of PVC with different cutters, so you can plumb it however you want. It's got the PVC cutters. But how this thing works, first you gotta put water in here. It comes with a funnel. You put the water in this and it fills up. Once it fills up, you have this closed, like you would have this closed. Once it's filled up, you open it. The water then, gravity takes the water down, it creates a siphon, and then boom, you have a siphon. And what's happening is you've got, let's see if we can look at it here, but without the reflection. But it's got this kind of, it's like a skimmer on the top where the water comes in, so it's coming in this. All right, and it's also siphoning here, so this is a siphon as well. So it's skimming the water at the top, it's coming in, and it's bringing it in here. Okay, so it's bringing it in here, and it's bringing all this water into the sump, and as it's doing that, it's separating out all the fish waste and mulm and detritus and whatever else it might find, the bigger particles. And so you'll see that, and when this gets full of all that detritus and stuff, you can then just empty it out, flush it out, close it up, and rinse and repeat. But it's pretty cool. Like if you're looking for even just an overflow box itself, you want to do a sump tank, but you don't want to drill the tank, this Hygger Fish Waste Collector serves that purpose. So pick yourself one up. See you guys.